Hello everyone. I welcome all of you in this video on Word file. Word file is our basic document. So we are going to discuss some of the basic things of Word files. Most of the faculty members, they know about it. Still, we are going to discuss once again maybe some of the features that will be useful to some of the faculty members. First, I will share my screen. This is my screen. Then go to the start button. After clicking on it, go to Microsoft Office Word. Click on it. Your page will be displayed. This is your page of Word file. So first thing we have to do, we have to type. For example, to save our time, I will take some material. This is my text. Select all. For select all, Control plus A. Then go to the menu bar. The first button is Home, under which some of the important and basic factors. And first of them is type of your font. For example, here are number of types. And usually that we use is Times New Roman. I selected Times New Roman. After selecting this, then go to the size of font, and usually it is a 12. Here I selected 12. If you want to use headings, then you can use 14 size. Then after size of font, if you want to give either bullets or numbers, then you have to go here. From here you can select bullets. Then this is a number. Then you can select, for example, this, isn't it? Then after this, after selecting all this, line spacing is important, that we have to take care of. And in order to line spacing, go here. So these are the line spacing: 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, or whatever that you want to select. For example, I will select 1.5. And these are the basic things from the button Home I must know to prepare the Word file. Then after this, go to the next button, Insert. In Insert, two important things, or instead of that I can say basic. First of them is, if you want to take table, then you can insert table from here. For example, yes, you can select in this way. I have selected. Then after table, you can format table as per your necessity. Then after the table, in insert, the second important thing is, if you want to give number, that is a page number, then you have to go here. For example, I clicked on it. So these are various sections that if you want to take at top, then you can click on it. Then bottom, I have selected the bottom one. Yes. So this is the process of to give number to the text. Then after this, go to the next button, that is a page layout. In page layout, some of the things are basic. First of them is margin of the page. If you want to select which are already there, then there is okay. If you don't want to, go to the custom margin and select. For example, I will make change here to the left side. I want to keep 1.5. It's necessary for my punching. So say okay. So you have selected margin. then you are going to prepare study material in these basic documents. Then if you want to give watermark as a study material, then under page layout, this is a watermark. So you can go there, and these are the already watermark, confidential, do not copy, and so on. But if you have to write study material, if you want to keep your watermark as a study material, go to custom watermark here. After custom watermark, click on the text watermark. It will be active, and here text you have to type. For example, I will type study material. Okay, say okay. So it will be your watermark. And if you want to change watermark, then again go to it and you can change it. Then after this, if you want to give color to the page, light color, then you have to go to page color. You can select from here, and this will be the page color. Study material, this color I have chosen. After page color, if you want to border your page, then go to page border, select page border from here, various page border. For example, I have selected this one. Say okay, your page is bordered. So these are the important thing in the button page layout. After page layout, the next important button in order to prepare Word file is review. Here, this is basically related to language work. Go to review, and after clicking on it, what you can check? The first, you can check spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar of your text you can check it, but this is very basic. Instead of this, you can take help of language teacher also. After spelling, here you can go to thesaurus. For example, a particular word that you want to change, you want to find out similar word, that is the synonyms to it. Select the word. In this way, go to thesaurus, click on it. Your option will be to the right side. You can select any synonyms which you think appropriate, insert, automatically it will inserted here. So in this way, in Word file, these are the basic things which are necessary to prepare a good Word file as a study material. Another use, if you prepare Word file in this way, you can use this file for your presentation also. So this is one of the benefits of it. Thank you very much.